Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with another stock market investing video. Today we had a really good day. I think most people did. We were up almost 4.5 at one point today, but now it's evening back out. There's some talks. I don't know if you guys saw the stimulus stuff, but it looks like they didn't come to an agreement and they are trying to push it. I'll put the article right here. But the good news, it said that if they were going to agree on something, they're going to have to get it finalized and written this week, which will be good if they do get something finalized this week for the stock market. I just want to do a quick updated video today, again, on the option calls. I know a lot of you guys are asking for updates and how do you sell, how do you cash out, how do you make money, how do you lose money. So, for example, let's look at the one that we're up the most on, 32%. BAC calls. You'll actually see my expiration date is 11/13 too, so I can sell it right now if I want. So if you scroll down, you'll see 74 equity, break-even price 25.10, and right now it's at 24.16. Right, so it went up about 1.8. It was up almost 3% today, and you'll see down here total return 23%. So that's how you know if you're up or down on a position. So just because you'll see today's return, 32%, $18. So just from Bank of America stock moving 1.7%, this option call that I have right here, it actually made 30%. So a 30% gain just from the option moving 1.8%. So that's the leveraging your money when you do buy options. But for example, if it went down 1.8%, or if it went down 2%, I could be down 32% instead of up 32%. So that's why it's so, you have to be very careful. It's very risky. And I do want to stress, just because I'm buying option calls in a video and making a video doesn't mean that you guys should go and buy option calls. This is one of the more risky ways to invest. By far, I'm usually a long-term investor when it comes to the stock market, but I do like options. They are exciting. I only do small ones too. As you guys can see, my equity is very small. We're up 19% on that one. The JWN, it looks like it shot up at one point today. It was up like 54%, which we were trying to cash out. But the thing about options is sometimes they don't get filled right away. So how you go and sell, so you scroll down, you see you're up 12%. You press trade and you press sell because you want to get rid of the option. So you do one contract is 100 shares. And then you would actually put your minimum credit would be 231. Now, sometimes it doesn't get filled because options move very drastically, as you can see. So you have to be on top of it, and you kind of want to sell at a lower price. So right now it's $2.31. You might want to sell at $2.29 so it fills right away. Now, you don't have to do that because most of the time they do get filled right away. But if you see that your option, it's not filling when you're trying to sell it, and it's not selling, that's the reason why, is because they go from different prices all the time, and you're basically selling this option to somebody else. So if it goes from $3 and you put your sell in at $3.16, and in 1 minute it drops, unfortunately no one's going to buy it for $3.16 anymore. So now you got to make another offer to sell that. So that was just an update. You can kind of see on my option calls what we're up on. We're up on all of them, 32% on Bank of America, 20% on Bank of America, and then 13% on JWN. I kind of want to buy a AAL option as well, but I'm actually going to wait until I think there's a good chance that we'll see a red day tomorrow in the stock market, because there was no good stimulus news today. Even though the good news should be coming on later this week, we'll see more green. But hopefully in the short term, it does push the market down a little bit, and we can buy some more option calls, and we can actually see what. So that was just a quick update on a video of how we did today in the market, a profile update, and then also an options update. Again, if you want to check out your options, you just scroll down, and they're above stock. So the first thing you see. And when you click on it, you just scroll down and you can see your position, your equity, your expiration date, your total return, your daily return, and then you trade it, and then you can sell your option just like that. You press review and you sell it. So guys, leave a thumbs up on the video if you do enjoy the option videos. If you want to see more of them, we're getting good feedback on the option video, so I might be making more of them. Even though, remember, I am a long-term investor, I'm a value and growth investor. That's where I put primarily of my money in. I have about 35K in the market, started from $0. So I'm showing you guys how to do it the safe way. But I like to play around with options, maybe like $200, $300, $400 here and there. It's only makes up about 3 to 5% or less of my portfolio too. So guys, smack a like on the button, leave a comment below, share the video with your friends. Remember, subscribe on YouTube as well. Hit that subscribe button if you're not, because that's where all these detailed videos are going to be viewed on. Instagram is only about the 60-second highlight. So guys, remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.